All right. Hey everyone, my name's Mike. Everybody knows me as Tackers. Um, I have wanted an old air-cooled Porsche for a very long time, like ages, as long as I can remember, and I never thought I'd be able to get into one. But last week, Sotheby's was auctioning off the iconic Rudy Klein Junkyard, and I saw Magnus Walker's post and walkthrough, and just threw it out there and ended up winning a 1966 912 that I'm having shipped from LA. This is just a very brief introduction to that, and I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you guys. It's going to be a steep learning curve, and I have got a lot of work cut out for me. I've included the photos from the auction and the Cardex clip, so you can have a look at what it came with originally a long time ago. It's been sitting in the desert, such as it is, in Southern California since 1997, and it's basically sight unseen and should be here in like 30 days. So let's go.